Welcome to English Evolution Step 1. In today's lesson, we're diving into the world of pronouns. We'll explore different types of pronouns, their definitions, examples, and how to use them in sentences. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your grammar, this lesson is perfect for you. Let's get started. Personal pronouns in English. By understanding and using these different types of pronouns, you can make your sentences more dynamic and avoid unnecessary repetition. Subject pronouns. These pronouns act as the subject of a sentence. They perform the action of the verb. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Object pronouns. These pronouns act as the object of a verb or preposition. They receive the action of the verb. Me, us, you, them, him, her, it. Possessive adjectives. These pronouns show ownership and are used before nouns. My, our, your, their, his, her, its. Possessive pronouns. These pronouns show ownership and stand alone, not before a noun. Mine, ours, yours, theirs, his, hers, its. Reflexive pronouns. These pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. Myself, ourselves, yourself, themselves, himself, herself, itself. Let's start with the examples. Before that, remember these pictures. They can help you understand the meanings. Please like the video before we dive into the examples. Subject pronouns. Listen and practice examples one by one. I'm learning English. We are going to the park. You are my friend as a singular. You are my friends as a plural. They are playing soccer. He is a good teacher. She loves to read books. It is raining outside. Object pronouns with examples. The teacher called me. They gave us a gift. I will help you. Can you see them? She saw him at the store. We invited her to the party. The dog chased it. Possessive adjectives with examples. This is my book. Our team won the game. Is that your pen? Their house is big. His car is new. Her dress is beautiful. The cat licked its paw. Possessive pronouns. This book is mine. The victory was ours. Is this pen yours? The house is theirs. The car is his. The dress is hers. The cat licked its paw. Remember, its is usually a possessive adjective, but in some contexts it can be used as a possessive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns. I taught myself to play the guitar. We enjoyed ourselves at the party. You should be proud of yourself as a singular. You should be proud of yourselves as a plural. They prepared themselves for the exam. He injured himself while playing soccer. She bought herself a new dress. The cat groomed itself. You've just learned about subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, reflexive pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these pronouns in your daily conversations and writing. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 for more grammar tips and English learning content. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.